Hi guys, Nadia here from Pleexy. Let's have a look at Microsoft To Do and task links. Previously, Pleexy added the task link to the resource field in Microsoft To Do, but on iOS devices, Microsoft To Do doesn't display the resource field, which meant that iOS users weren't able to reach the task source. Now, all customers using iOS or Android devices can find the link back to the task in the Notes section as well. With this update, Pleexy is able to offer two options for OneNote and Evernote users, where there's the option to open up the task in either the browser or app version. Let's take a look at these links in action. Opening up the task in the browser takes you to the source of the task in the browser version of your tool. Opening up the task in the app takes you to the source of the task in the app version of your tool. This way you can quickly gain full context of whichever task you're working on. We hope you enjoy this feature update. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments.